Oh, hi there. Today I'm back with another really awesome product review for you. You see this beautiful thing behind me, the TV. This is the Sony 77-inch OLED or OLED, however you like to say it. And it is the latest version 2022 model. And I'm so excited to show you the unboxing process, the installation process, as well as some of the really cool features. But before we get started, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And this is a really much needed upgrade for us because we were using the TV that we had before this one for like 10 years. And you know, the technology changes, new features come on board. And so it was definitely time for us to upgrade. And some of you guys are really gonna appreciate the Bluetooth feature because especially if you work from home like I do, there are so many times that someone else is watching TV in your living room and the noise just bothers you. But now with the Bluetooth feature, you can still get your work done and the other person can still enjoy their TV, gaming, whatever it is that they're doing. And there are a couple of other things that I absolutely love, so I can't wait to share all of that with you. Stay tuned and let's get started. So we got the TV from Best Buy, and one of the first things I did was get their Totaltech protection, which is only $199 a year, but it comes with free TV delivery, installation, and mounting. I highly recommend it because as you can see, this is a big screen TV, 77 inches, and also heavy. It's about 75 pounds. So you definitely need the professionals to come to your house and mount it for you instead of trying to do it yourself and damaging this expensive TV. So these are the people from Best Buy. They came on time and they are basically mounting it for you, and they also show you everything. They tape it on your wall so you get an idea as to where you want the TV placement. And once you're happy with it, then they go ahead and mount it exactly where you want it. So you can see the process. So they set up everything for you, such as Google TV, the Amazon Fire Stick, the Apple TV, and they also take away your old TV if you want to get rid of it. The first thing I did when we purchased the TV is to upgrade our Apple TV because once you have the latest version, then it just runs faster on the TV. This is 4K TV, so make sure to get the Apple TV that's also 4K, the second generation. And then, the cool thing that which I love is using the TV as a second screen for my work. You can mirror, from your iPhone or your iPad or MacBook, but you could also, use this as your second screen. So these are some of the apps that you see on here, and you could use the Apple TV or the Fire Stick. So whichever one you prefer, but you don't need both. You just need one. Talking about the Apple TV, this is the one that we bought, the 4K quality, and works with any 4K TV, and you can use this remote to turn your TV on and off as well. Okay guys, so now I just want to quickly show you the TV settings that you can play around with on your own to see which one you like the most. For my picture settings, I have picked the vivid mode because I'm watching this James Bond movie, and as you can see, the picture quality is excellent. It's nice and crispy, vivid, and I just like that. So you can adjust the brightness, color, clarity as you like based on your preference. But all of this was already done for me when the Best Buy people were installing and setting up the TV. They were already configuring all of these settings. And then the picture mode is vivid, the brightness is set to max, the power saving mode is on, the light sensor is on, the wide mode is set to auto. The sound settings, I believe I have picked the sound mode to be sports because as you can see, I'm watching this action movie. Sports mode just gives you a much better sound quality. But there are all these different options available to you. And then you can just adjust all of these settings as you like. I also want to mention that this TV already has the voice control built in, so you can speak your commands on the remote. It comes with 4 HDMI inputs as well as 2 USB ports, the Ethernet port. It's already Bluetooth enabled and built-in Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and I love the fact that the screen is so thin. It has the cognitive processor to enhance, picture quality. So this is the best technology out there. So next I want to just show you the actual sound quality. So I'm going to stop talking so you can watch the TV and see how lovely the sound quality is. So what do you guys think? Drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your love and support. I will see you next time.